It is the 18th of September. Oh my gosh, how my life has literally just changed so much in the past like week. Big delivery boxes have arrived. They are my suitcases. Sorry, had to get scissors. I think I'm gonna do the small one first. The carry-on suitcase first. So I originally wanted to get the Bays suitcase from like Shay Mitchell's brand. I've been like holding off for the restock for it. But of course, like the one that I want has just not restocked at all. So I was looking around for a different suitcase. Ooh. I ended up going with Samsonite. Like I've heard they're a really good like luggage brand. This is making things super real now. Oh my god. Stop it. Stop it. And it has this like, I love this. So yes, I got the matching small carry-on one and then this large one. So I need to fit my entire life in these two suitcases. I have started like mentally packing. I think I want to like buy those, you know, those storage bags that like you can suction air out of and like it creates obviously more space in your suitcases. I think I'm looking on Kmart now. But I want to get it because firstly, I want to bring this pillow with me. This is my boob job pillow, yes, and it is the most comfortable pillow. So I want to be bringing this with me. Maybe I should write this down. I mean, I could totally just use notes on my phone, but I'm just such a pen and paper person, you know? This is my progress journal that I've been using as like my to-do list and like budgeting, and that's kind of what this book has been used for. Irrelevant, I need a pen. Saw one. Actually, that would be good too. Oh, found it. Found it, okay. So, oh my god, what is this? I'm so bad at fucking vlogging. I'm gonna sit back in my suit. Actually, I shouldn't because I've got nice stuff in there. Maybe if I put a pillow down first, it doesn't feel like I'm squashing as much. Here we go. Plan for packing. Suction bag for my pillow. I'm really curious to see if it actually works. And then how many jackets do I have? I'm wearing you. Or 3. Grey. Puffer jacket, woolen coats, my towels, and my bed linen. I mean, I can use things to like suction just my clothes to create more space, but I think they're things that like I can roll up and kind of compact and put them in their own places. I think these are the key ones. I got an extra large, a large, and a medium vacuum cleaner. I really actually want to bring this rug with me because I have like a walk-in wardrobe that all of my stuff is going to go into, and I want to lay this down in that space. I think it fits the dimensions like perfectly. Like it's not a big rug, it's like quite a small like little. I'm hoping that I can squash this down and it can fit in one of these bags as well. I didn't expect this plastic to look like this. Like it feels durable, but I thought it was going to be like a different sort of material. I don't know why. But anyway, this is what we're working with. This is an extra large one. That's not bad. I can definitely fit my coats. I might leave the extra large for the rug. Let's just try. Let's just try. That definitely worked. I feel like I probably should have folded things better because like, I don't know what's going on here. The jackets now are about to get so squashed and destroyed, but I mean, it worked. It is the 9th of October. It is the day before my flight. The state of my room right now is, I don't even know. I'm gonna pan. I'll do a pan shot right now of what I'm currently seeing, and it is just an absolute pigsty. Like, where do I even begin? I still just have so much crap everywhere. But again, this is classic me doing things last minute. Very overwhelmed, stuff everywhere. I learned the hard way. Like, I gave myself 2 weeks to like get my life together, meet up with close friends and family safely, obviously during this whole COVID situation. And I ended up also working up until the very last day. Like, I leave tomorrow on the Sunday and I worked yesterday on the Friday. So guys, the initial plan was, you would have seen those, remember the 2 suitcases that I had, a really large one and my carry-on one. And my initial plan was I only wanted to bring those 2 and I wasn't going to bring any more, but I think I'm going to bring a 3rd suitcase. As I dismantled my camera from where it just was positioned, my tripod just completely broke. What is happening? Again, off to a great start. All I want to do right now is just be sorting through. So actually, while I'm sitting here, I want to give you guys an update on my car situation. So I know I did record me cleaning my car. Because I was hoping to show like, yeah, like, you know, the process of like selling things. Unfortunately, the reality is I haven't sold it, and I'm lucky that I've got my brother who is going to help me with selling it, but it's just so shit. When I took my car to the mechanic to get like the roadworthy for it, like they would tell me like, yep, you're definitely going to be able to get it for the price that you want. You'll have no issues. Like, it's in such high demand, and yet I'm still just here with my car not sold and I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm not stressing though. Like, to me, there's no point stressing. I'm trying to teach myself this, but stressing doesn't really achieve anything. But it's still just like, oh, bugger. Another thing that's made this process so much harder, sorry, like I said, this has just turned into like talking with Phoebe Sarah. You can't just like go into stores and like just pick up stuff. You can't just like go to Kmart and pick up what you need. You can't just go to Target and pick up what you need. Besides, like, obviously at the grocery store and like the pharmacy, like everything else is click and collect, but Kmart and Target and all of those click and collects take yonks for them to like actually organize. It's not like you can just like put an order through and that day pick it up, which to me would make the most sense. That's not a possibility. It sucks. I really have to be factoring in like things aren't running as normal here in Australia anyway, and so I can't just go pick up and buy things. I have to get things delivered, and if I were to get things delivered, then it's going to be significantly delayed to come. I'm going to turn it off here because I'm just ranting. I'll speak to you guys soon. I'm leaving today, and in true Phoebe fashion, I still haven't finished packing. I still have shit everywhere. I'm still trying to condense things down into my suitcase, and I'm not having so much luck.